Forget about opening a trade at the wrong price. No more frustration, unnecessary losses, and fake signals in the range market. This all-in-one technical indicator will solve all of your trading problems. I believe this is currently the best tool for beginners and pro traders. Before I reveal the indicator, I want you to check out at these winning trades you could have made with these buy and sell alerts. This indicator works best for day trading on shorter time frames like 5 and 15 minutes. In some markets, the winning ratio can be close to 90%. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you this exact strategy so that you can start making quick and easy profits. Dear friends, if you enjoy my content, please like this video and subscribe to Magic Indicator Strategies if you haven't done so yet. On this channel, I explain the newest and most accurate trading strategies in the easiest way possible. Without wasting any time, let's begin the tutorial. The reason this indicator is so powerful is because it has pretty much everything you need for an in-depth price analysis. Even if you're a price action trader who relies on supply and demand principles, this tool can make your price analysis 10 times easier. It is due to these multi-time frame support and resistance zones the indicator plots. Without these key levels, it would be much harder to spot true supply and demand areas in the market. Another key feature of this tool is the trend dashboard. How often have you had a situation where the trend looked positive on the 5-minute chart, you took a long trade, and the market reversed completely? One of the main reasons this happens is because on higher time frames, sellers control the market. If you ignore the prevailing market sentiment on higher time frames, you are lowering your chances of success. This magic tool shows you not only the current bias in all time frames, but also trend strength. This is very useful for trend traders. For example, you wouldn't take a long trade on the 5 or 15-minute chart if there was strong bearish pressure on a 4-hour and daily time frame. It is simply not in your best interest to bet against the market. The rest of the indicator's features are less significant. I'm talking about these buy and sell signals, exit signals, and a moving average. These components serve as final confirmation before initiating a trade. The main purpose of this moving average is to filter out fake signals. For instance, long trades are allowed only if the price is closed above the EMA at the time an alert is given. If the price is below the moving average, the signal becomes invalid. With this rule in place, you can avoid early trade entries and only take high probability signals. You'll see how logical this strategy is when we get to the exact conditions. Every feature of this indicator will help us read price action in a way you haven't seen before. By the way, you can customize every parameter in the indicator's inputs. Later in this video, I'll demonstrate how you can build the same setup. Before that, let's learn the rules for opening trades with this trading strategy. For a long trade to be initiated, the following conditions must be met. First, the price must gradually return to the 4-hour support. In no case should the pullback be sharp. The idea is simple. We want to buy the stock when it is cheap and there is high demand for that particular price. How can we check if the price we want to purchase the stock at is in high demand? Simply look back in time and check whether this demand level has been retested in the past. When demand is high, everyone starts buying. As a result, the price rises again. Strong demand zones also prevent downside breakouts. However, you should keep in mind that there can be manipulations around these zones as well. Stop-loss hunts or liquidity grabs are often seen in shorter time frames, so be sure to leave sufficient room for your stop-loss, otherwise you'll get stopped out. After the pullback, you should look for a buy signal. If you've been paying attention, you already know that for a buy signal to be confirmed, the price must be above the EMA. The final confirmation of a long entry is a positive trend in most time frames. This is where the trend dashboard becomes very useful. If you've been trading for some time, you know what we're doing with this strategy. It is quite obvious. We take a long trade on a price correction with the expectation of trend continuation. The difference between this continuation trend strategy and hundreds of others is the odds. You would likely use indicators like supertrend, a long-term moving average, and a volume indicator in a regular strategy. You would go long when the super trend turns bullish again, while the price remains above the MA and the volume is high. This strategy might work sometimes, but not taking supply and demand into account is a huge downside. That's why combining indicators with price action, especially multi-time frame price analysis, is a superior way of trading. The strategy's money management is simple. Place the stop loss below the demand zone and close a winning trade on the exit signal. Alternatively, you can set a specific target and close half of the position when the price reaches it. Another half will run until an exit signal is produced. Here's another example of a long trade. Look at how many times this demand zone has been retested in the past. We can clearly anticipate a move to the upside. The rest of the conditions are met. Now let me explain the rules for a short trade. First rule is to have the price slowly approach 4-hour resistance. Just like the demand zone, the supply area has a massive concentration of pending sell orders. Sellers want the best deal, so they first wait for the price to return to the supply level before they proceed with executing their orders. It all makes sense. However, I must remind you again, be aware of liquidity grabs, just like this one. If you take a closer look, you can see that the price was rising heavily to resistance. When this happens, a breakout to the upside is likely. The next rule is to have a valid sell alert. Finally, check the trend dashboard for the dominant negative bias. Make sure you leave enough room for your stop loss. Traders, I hope you understand this strategy. Let me now show you how to access the following indicator and its settings for this particular strategy. This indicator is called Easy Algo V2. It is a premium tool. Easy Trades offers the 2 most advanced technical analysis indicators on TradingView. In addition, they have a VIP Discord community where you can chat, get support, and copy other traders' signals. I'll leave the link in the description. Once you activate your plan, head over to Indicators and from Invite Only, select Easy Algo V2. Open its inputs and disable the current time frame levels. Enable the 4-hour ones. 3 levels are enough. Scroll down and uncheck the golden pocket, candle coloring, and volume profile. Enable 1 EMA with a length set to 21. That's it. Be sure to backtest and forward test this strategy before trading with real money. This way, you'll avoid unnecessary mistakes. If you have questions, write them down in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you soon.